What's going on, Pro Cutters? John and Donovan here. We're back out at Seven Islands Bird Park. Gonna hit some trails today. So stick around. Got Donovan on the hands-free walking, jogging leash. And he's also got a harness on that stops him from pulling. All right, now we're on the Hickory Ridge Trail. Donovan's seeing some squirrels. When they first opened this trail, it was an out and back, and now they've connected it around so it's a full loop, which is nice. I've currently got the GoPro on the shorty mount. I've brought my clip mount with me again today, as well as my head mount, so I'll probably be switching it up here in a while. I just switched the leash from the harness to the collar. So of course Donovan's pulling like a freight train now and choking himself because he's a crazy dog. Donovan, easy. Easy. There's no reason to pull. All right, stop then. I'm gonna switch you back to the harness. Come here. As you can see, this harness hooks in front of his chest, and so when he pulls, it's awkward for him and he stops. Unlike the collar around his neck, he just keeps on pulling, which of course is not good for his throat and trachea and all that other good stuff. It rained overnight, but it's turned into a nice day. elevation changes pretty rapidly on this trail. Now it's going to drop back down here a little bit and then back up again as we're traversing the ridge.